Hello. Welcome to Self-Mastery. Today, we're delving into the empowering world of goal achievement. Whether you're chasing a personal milestone or professional success, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing key strategies and insights on how to turn your aspirations into accomplishments. Here are 10 steps to help you reach your goal. 1. Define your goal clearly. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve. Be specific, measurable, and realistic in setting your goal. This provides a clear target to work towards. 2. Break it down. Divide your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Breaking it down into smaller steps makes it less overwhelming and allows you to track your progress more effectively. 3. Set a timeline. Establish a realistic timeline for achieving your goal. This helps create a sense of urgency and prevents procrastination. Make sure the timeline aligns with the complexity of your goal. 4. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan outlining the steps you need to take. This plan should include the tasks, resources required, and deadlines. Having a roadmap makes the journey more structured. 5. Identify obstacles. Anticipate potential challenges and obstacles that may arise along the way. This proactive approach allows you to develop strategies for overcoming hurdles and staying on course. 6. Seek knowledge and skills. Assess the knowledge and skills required to achieve your goal. If there are gaps, invest time in learning and acquiring the necessary expertise. Continuous learning is often a key component of goal attainment. 7. Stay focused. Concentrate on your goal and avoid distractions. Regularly remind yourself of the reasons behind your goal and its benefits. Maintaining focus enhances productivity. 8. Monitor and evaluate progress. Regularly assess your progress against the established timeline and milestones. This allows you to make adjustments, celebrate small victories, and stay motivated. 9. Stay flexible. Be open to adjusting your plan if needed. Circumstances may change, and flexibility allows you to adapt to new information or challenges without derailing your entire effort. 10. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress, no matter how small, boosts motivation and reinforces your commitment to the goal. Remember, reaching a goal is often a dynamic and iterative process. Stay resilient, stay adaptable, and refine your approach as you move closer to your objective.